Alright, so we have this stoplight program, and the way the stoplight program works, as you know, is they enter in red, yellow, or green, and based on their input, it either says stop, slow down, or go, or you have not entered the correct color, right? So there's a problem with this program, and the problem here is if I type in like capital RED, it's going to print out you have not entered a correct color. And why is that? Because it's case sensitive. Okay, so we call it case sensitive. And what does that mean? It means upper and lower case matters. Right. So right here, when I do the raw input, that's going to be replaced with capital RED. So light is going to be equal to capital RED. So when it comes here to check, it's going to be checking if capital RED is equal to lowercase red. That's not true. So it's going to check that's not true, and then it's going to go to the else and print out you have not entered the correct color. Okay. So we want to fix that so that it doesn't matter if they type in capital RED, if it doesn't matter if they enter in like something like that, right? Then this should be true. We want it to be not case sensitive. Right. So what's a way that we can do that? Well, let me go ahead and move this comment down here and show you a string method that we can use. Okay, so if we have a word variable and it's equal to hello world, we can say print word dot upper, like that. So since word is a string, there's a bunch of methods that we can run on strings, and one of them is upper. So we can say dot upper, and what this does is it returns a string whose content is this string, but with all capital letters. So let's go ahead and run that. You see that? Capital hello world, right? And so even if it's like capital H, capital W, and I run it, it's just going to turn them all into capital hello world. Right. Now we have dot upper, and we also have dot lower, and so I can run dot lower, and it's going to print out lowercase hello world, even though word has an uppercase H and an uppercase W there. Right. So this is what we're going to use to make this little program here not case sensitive. Okay. So maybe I could put this in comment and comment. I'm going to move this multi-line comment back up to here, and let's go ahead and do this. So after we take in the input, let's say capital RED, I'm going to say light is equal to light dot lower. Okay, so if light was capital RED, if I do a dot lower, then light is going to be equal to lowercase red. So it doesn't matter if they type in uppercase here, because on line 11 I'm switching all of the uppercase to lowercase, and since it's lowercase, now this is going to be true, and it's going to print stop. Right. So let's go ahead and run that. I'm going to do capital RED, hit enter, and it says stop. Right. When previously it said you have not entered the correct color. So let's do capital RE, capital D, hit it, and it says stop. Let's do a funky yellow, capital, lowercase, capital, capital, lowercase, capital, and it still says slow down. Right. So this is a technique that you can use to remove the case sensitivity of your program, and you might be able to go ahead and practice on this little program here. Right now this program is case sensitive, meaning if they type in capital S secret, then this is not going to be true, and it's going to say you have not entered the correct password. Why don't we try using the technique that we used here so that our password program is not case sensitive?